Hey Brooke,
Hey.
we're back at our vlogs.
Yeah, we are. Daily vlog. Hey, Johnny, who's coming today?
Mike Fisher. Mike. Thank you. Wait. Hey, yo, you know.
Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot box. Cooking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. Hey! I don't try nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Hey. It's bad and bullshit. Bad. Cooking up with a Uzi. My niggas a savage.
Yo, watch. Yes! Bring it on! How do you feel about that?
I felt pretty good about that.
My arm hurts. I'd like to say Kobe's going crazy. The party's here! My voice hurts so bad right now. It stings, dude. I was whispering. I don't know how this happened. Yo, watch. Yes!
Show the crew.
What's up, Red Mountain? And my name is Johnny. My name is Drew. We have a very special guest speaker for y'all today. So everybody please give a warm welcome to Mike Smith.
And they were really nervous to do that. Will you give a hand to my dudes right here? My name's Mike Smith. I get a chance to host the Harbor. I get a chance to host this tour and do some pretty cool things that we'll talk about a little bit later. But Arizona side. All right, here's how we're doing this. We're about to have ourselves a little dance contest. Here's how this works. I'm gonna break you up into, we're gonna do 2 groups of students. Then there's gonna be a group of advisors or teachers, which is gonna be my favorite moment. I'm gonna pick a winner, like 1 or 2 winners from each group. Then we're gonna have a final, and the winner from the final gets to go take some stuff off of that merch table, because everybody likes free stuff, all right? All right, you guys are group 1. All my students over here, you guys make your way up there. Get out there. Yep. There we go, okay. If your high school is in group 1, will you make a little noise for your high school right now? Here's how this works. she's gonna play a song. I have no idea what the song's gonna be. I don't know the genre. I don't know anything about it. I don't even really know what we're doing today. You just dance your little hearts out, all right? If you're not sweating, you're not trying. This isn't prom. I'm not your mom. I'm in charge. It doesn't matter what your principals think right now. You're just supposed to get down, all right? Let's see what you got. Group one. I got my winners. I'm going with you two, you. Group two, you saw how it was done, right? You gotta step it up a little bit higher. Group two, you already know how it goes. Let's see what you got. I'm going YouTube. Who's the can opener? Teachers, get up here. Don't be so shy. Hey, wait. Who? Does anybody know this one right here? All right. We're gonna do this. All right, teachers. Let's see what you got. Right here. I'm picking this dude because you're really good. I'm picking you. I'm picking you because you don't want to keep dancing. Up here. If your school made the final, make a little noise for your school. All right. So here's how this works. There can only be 3. I got a feeling. I know I said 3, but I'm lying. All right, I'm going you. Those are my winners. So if you won, if I pointed to you and you won, head back to that merch table and go get some free stuff, all right?
Here's what I need everybody to stand up and I need you to repeat after me. Here we go. That you can enter that content. Follow me on Twitter. My handle is @Dr. Phillip Campbell. Thank you guys so much for listening to my story. The question you can answer is, what do I want to be when I grow up? Anybody hate that question? I want to be a marine biologist because I want to pet dolphins. Like I want to be a veterinarian because I want to save animals.
Should I go run up to him and laugh at him?
Yeah. You won't do it.
I won't.
I'll give you $5.
Sweet music!
They force you to listen to this for 2 minutes?
I hate CDs.
Yeah, no, that's a terrible thing. That's a terrible choice.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, good.
Bye!
I don't know when we're gonna have lunch, you guys, but
It's fine.
I hope you did not do the video of the dancing video. That was like old 90s.
Y'all got bleachers up, you're gonna just stretch it out. There's restrooms that way.
Actually, a video?
Water! Shots of water! We got this 15-minute break. Okay. Oh shoot. Schnikes.
I gotta collect my drug money.
Get this kid off me!
Hey, Jacoby, that's enough loving per se.
I don't know if I should put this in or not.
Are you ticklish?
Okay.
Stop it!
It's not over.
Oh, don't steal my hat. It's a hat cover.
Oh, that's okay.
That doesn't make sense. Don't let Cece. Hi, I'm Jacoby.
We literally just like 30 seconds 5 times.
Ooh, he's stealing. Oh, I'm so
Refreshing.
I haven't been in the vlog today. Ready, dude. Okay, pull it around and then pull it back around. Back. This way? Yes.
Learn how to stop making it. And so have a conversation for the next few minutes about what the biggest excuses you guys make.
I'm too tired. I'm always way too tired.
Give you $2,500 for your class.
Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
I'm gonna wrap this up the way I wrap everything up, which is I love taking selfies with every crowd that I've been in front of, and I've taken selfies with millions of people at this point, so I want to keep adding to the list. So can everybody make their way down to the gym floor with this selfie? Don't die. Get in there. Oh my God, don't die. All right. The real question is Snapchat or Instagram? The crowd has spoken. We're going on Instagram.
Yeah.
When I hold this up, you know what to do. Just get weird. You're good at that. All right? Hey, world, I want to show you what Phoenix, Arizona.
Guys, we can do the ceiling flights.
really? I think you've done this. Buy a cheap one.
No, because I have trucks and wheels.
What, my phone? Mm-hmm. It's cracked.
I have millions of children all over the
No,
world.
I'm talking like biological.
No, I have a 5-year-old Siberian Husky.
If you ever have a kid, he's gonna be like a legend.
My kid's he's gonna have an opportunity to do some stuff. My dog's a legend. I don't even know who's coming or how it works.
Just invited the 2 classes so that
Nixon.
I could.
Awesome, so is it just gonna be like,
It's Nixon.
okay.
I have so many
Good. Oh shoot. Oh, look at that. Hitting the soundboard. Oh. All Mike. That's all Mike's man. Oh.
So what'd you just do?
Just hit that button.
Pick it up by famous.
Find a clean version.
That's couple goals. Who can relate? Oh!
I think my